In this video, we're going to go over how to convert decimals to fractions. So let's start with 0.75. How would you convert this to a fraction? Well, first, let's write this as a fraction out of 1. So we're going to have 0.75 over 1. Now, the 5 is in the hundredth spot. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by 100. So times 100 times 100, that's going to give us 75 over 100. Now the greatest common factor of both 75 and 100 is 25. So now we're going to simplify 75 and 100 by dividing by the greatest common factor. So divided by 25, divided by 25, divided by 25, that's going to give us 3 over 4. And so that's our final answer. 0.75 converted to a fraction is 3 over 4. Now let's try one more problem, and this time pause the video and try it on your own. But this time, let's go with 0.6. How would you convert this to a fraction? Well, 0.6, first, we're going to write it as a fraction out of 1. So 0.6 over 1. Now with the last fraction, 0.75, we had something in the 10th spot and in the 100th spot. But this, we only have something in the 10th spot, and that's going to be the 6. So instead of multiplying by 100, we're going to multiply by 10. So times 10 times 10, and that's going to give us 6 over 10. And so now we need to simplify this. We need to divide it by the greatest common factor. And the greatest common factor in this case is 2. So 6 divided by 2, and then 10 divided by 2, and that's going to give us 3 over 5. And so that's our answer. 0.6 converted to a fraction is 3 over 5. So a key tip is that the number of decimal places tells you what to put on the bottom. So if you're going to be multiplying by 10 or 100. And don't forget to simplify. That's where most students lose their marks. I hope this video helped. Thank you.